Okay, guys, so there's always a first time to everything. And what we're gonna do today is learn how to subscribe to a YouTube channel because you are not the only one who don't know how to, and we are about to find out how many people who don't know how to like you. So let's get to it. Hey, mom, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Please, I have a quick question.
All right, what's the question?
Do you know how to subscribe to a YouTube channel?
Now you know that I hardly know how to subscribe to anything.
You go under the post.
Okay, she said she don't know how to do that. I'm gonna ask this lady over here. Hey there, how are you?
How are you?
Please, do you know how to subscribe to YouTube channel?
Yes.
Can you please show me how to do that?
Yes. So let's find all these apps. Where's YouTube? So, wow, this came up right here. And then you just press subscribe right there. I'm already subscribed
You
already.
already subscribed to this channel. Okay,
Yes.
can you show us another one and just walk us through it?
Okay, let's see. Let's look up music videos or haircuts. Now, you will press the post and right here.
Oh, it's just there?
Yep, you just tap. Very simple. Tap.
Oh Lord, that's
Subscribe.
easy, really easy.
Yep.
That's it. That's it.
Simple.
Simple. Thank you. So that was easy, right? That is easy. Go on there, try it. Kelsey's Unique Hair. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. I just help you out. Why not help me out?